Hello there. So I thought I'd give you one final update on the blizzard here in southern Finland on the 5th of April. This is probably our worst winter storm that we've had for the entire winter. Yet it should be the spring. It's incredible. The wind has now really got up. There's branches snapping off the trees and it's a complete whiteout. So let's have a quick look. It's really coming down hard, and the risk is that when we go through the afternoon into the evening, we could get a few trees falling down on power lines in the forests, because they run through the forests here in Finland. So we'll have to wait and see what happens in the evening. The camera doesn't really do the snow justice, I have to say, but I think you can see that it looks quite murky there in the background and misty. That's just because of the snow. And as you can see, that famous white car in the background behind that van, like I said earlier, I thought it was going to be maybe evening time before those tyres would get covered up, but they're almost covered up now. So it's absolutely incredible that we still have 6 hours of this to go at least. Unbelievable. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed watching the progress of this late snowstorm, and unfortunately it looks like it's going to be really cold here for the next week. So yeah, but anyway, have a good afternoon and a good evening.